Greetings, scholars. I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about assignment number 3, choosing a subject for cancellation. You already know that you're writing your paper on cancel culture and you get to choose the subject on which you want to cancel, to not cancel, or to give a more nuanced argument saying that the person should be canceled, but maybe not the art or the good things that the person has done. So look at assignment number 3. This is going to be a work module. So you're going to go into the sample handout, which is what I want to talk to you about. I have the sample handout in both a Word version and a Google Docs version. For those of you who don't have Microsoft Word, you can simply click the link here and you'll see the Google document will open up. So I just want to do this. This is just a sample of what it is you're going to do. Because we're doing argument, you're going to choose your subject for cancellation and you're going to list the reasons or tell me why the person should be canceled. So for an example, I use R. Kelly. So my initial reasons here, I'm going to cancel R. Kelly, and I'm going to give all the reasons that I can think of. So I'm going to use my critical thinking skills. I want you to use your critical thinking skills because you chose the subject, or you would choose your subject. You need to choose someone that you are passionate about, somebody that you really cannot stand, somebody that you like, who has been canceled unfavorably, somebody that you have an opinion of. If you don't have an opinion about somebody, take a political figure. Everybody has positive, negative impressions of, let's say, the President of the United States. So I'm going to choose R. Kelly here, and this is just a simple handout. I have a blank copy for you. You're going to put your last name, first name, your section number on here. I'm going to say cancel R. Kelly, and I'm going to leave R. Kelly alone. So I'm going to list reasons using critical thinking. Why? Here are the reasons, and I came up with 8 reasons that I can cancel R. Kelly. Now, I want you to choose or list as many reasons as you possibly can because when we do the final paper and we do the argument, I've already shown you how the paper is set up. Uh, you're going to choose your top 3 arguments to cancel R. Kelly. In this case, I'm writing about canceling him. But you also have to choose your opposing view. So this is where you're going to get your arguments for and your opposing views. Okay. So I have both here. When I write the paper, I'm going to take my strongest 3 reasons and I'm going to take my strongest 2 reasons to shoot down, or my weakest reasons to shoot down for R. Kelly for the opposing view, if that makes sense. So be careful when you do your brainstorming, when you start listing your reasons. Go back, see which things can be discussed together. Some of these things can be combined and put together into one thing. So, for example, he sexually assaulted underage girls. Uh, Technically, I'm going to talk about number 5 with this, and I'm going to talk about number 6 unless I know how to write them as 2 totally different things. Okay. So make sure that when you come up with your list, it's okay that if some of your items repeat themselves, that is fine because when you write the paper, when you get into writing the paper, you're going to see, okay, hey, I can discuss 1, 5, and 6 together, and 7 all together in one point. So I want you to be very careful how you do this. Again, it's brainstorming. I just want to see what you're coming up with to start your discussion of canceling your subject. If you have any questions about I'm going to go back here. You do have a blank form here, and again, I'm going to pull up the Google Doc. So you have your subject for canceling, and you just fill in cancel P Diddy. Leave P Diddy alone. Uh, do not cancel Colin Kaepernick, right? and then you would give me the reasons that people would cancel him or vice versa, right? Uh, Make sure that you do fill this out. You should be able to type on this form. Because this is a Google Doc, you will have to download this first, type on it, and then upload it to Blackboard. Make sure that when you upload the Google Doc, you're uploading it in a version that I can open. If you have any questions about this assignment, the first thing I want you to do, rewatch the video. You may need to watch the video 2 or 3 times in order to understand what it is you are to do. If after you've watched the video 2 or 3 times and you have questions, please email me, philip.blackman@aamu.edu. I will be happy to answer your questions. Good reading and writing to you, and I will see you in the next video.